My name is Miguel Aguero Jr. and I graduated in 2023 with a degree in sociology. I'm a Mexicano, I'm a Latino from Boyle Heights, California, and my family, we didn't grow up in the best neighborhood and stuff, and I needed to represent my community in some way, somehow. And to get a degree, that's one of the best ways to do it. The main reason why I really wanted to get into my master's, to be able to be part of that percentage to move up. That's what I want to be able to do, and I want to be an example to my community. When I got to La Verne, it was an amazing experience. I was able to really know who I was, and that led to the football program. Being with Coach Krieg, Coach Martinez, people like that, they care for you, they love you. Everything you do, they push you to be the best you can be, to be at your, reach your full potential is what they had, and it was hard work pays off, and I lived by that to this day.
The one thing that's really stuck out with me, from Miguel is his passion, his love, not only for the game, but for those that are around him. He was really a player that played for everybody else.
I had a great support system, with my mother and my father, and my brother being the example, getting into football, getting into sports. And
it was kind of a neat experience to be able to coach his brother and then have the opportunity to coach him, because he'd always said how he was going to come to La Verne as well.
And I saw the fun he had, the success he had in the classroom. He wasn't the best student, in high school. Once he got to La Verne, man, he was great. Saw the love that they gave him, and I just wanted to be a part of that culture. And sure enough, it was just amazing.
It's just that family type atmosphere that we've had, and it's been a really great connection, ever since.
Homecoming 2021 versus Pomona-Pitzer.
As the time dwindles and La Verne trails by a possession.
Aguero takes it himself, nowhere to go. Sacked on the play.
Oh man, that was a special moment.
Aguero takes the snap, drops back. Hit as he throws, has a receiver, it's caught!
All of us come together as a unit.
It'll be interesting to see how well they can navigate the clock.
Everyone takes everyone to win that game.
Set, 3 to his left, 2 to his right. A 4-man rush, a throw into the end zone. Sagastumi! We'll see what the Leopards do here. Crowd up to their feet. 4 wide receiver set. Aguero takes the snap. Throwing. Wide open. Cueva. 2-point conversion is good. The Leopards take the lead.
Abel Cueva has the 2-point conversion to win the game. It's huge.
The kick is blocked, and the Leopards win it.
Homecoming night.
To this day, we're family. And those are things that you got at La Verne that are just gonna stay with you forever. It's what do you get after it? It's hey, I'm pursuing a master's degree. I have career set up. I have best friends for life, and that's what you get at University of La Verne.